Hey guys, it's Sunday. My hair. Yeah, so I'm all alone. So let's see if I can do it. That's a no. Okay, we're gonna try again, guys. Okay, ready? Okay, this one's a little bigger. And my headphone just got pulled out of my ear. Can we just say I made it? Please? Please? Okay. One more. Third time's a charm, right, guys? Ready? Ah! Told you. Third time's a charm. I have no friends.